Want to customize the look of ChatGPT with a different accent color? Here's how to change the accent color on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. Tap your profile name to open the settings. Scroll down to find the accent color options. Here you will see several color choice. Okay, tap accent color and then tap any color you like, for example green or other. ChatGPT will instantly apply the select accent color to part of the interface, such as buttons and highlight. You can try different color anytime until you find the one you like, and that's how to change the ChatGPT accent color on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.